how to create and sell an ebook on Amazon. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to create an account on Amazon. And the question is it possible or is it easy to sell ebook on Amazon? The answer is yes. Selling an ebook on Amazon through Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP can be relatively easy. But the success of your ebook depends on several factors, such as the quality of the content, proper formatting, effective marketing, and the competition in your niche. By following the steps, you can easily sell an ebook on Amazon. So, first, you just have to go to KDP, and then this is the interface. And what you're going to do here, if you don't have an account yet, so you have to click this join in KDP. If you have an account, then tap sign in. Here in a create an account, you need to enter your name, email, password, and re-enter password. After that, click create your KDP account. Wait for a couple of seconds and here you are. So complete your account information to publish a book. Well, you can't publish a book if your details are of course incomplete. So you need to fill in some information and fill in your details. So as you can see, create, manage, and publish as easy as that. So before you create, of course, you must have your PDF or your book ready before anything else. So once you're ready to publish and earn, you can now click create. And then what would you like to create? You have following options here, but since our tutorial is all about ebook, so you're going to click the very first one. So after that, once you tap this, and then you can now proceed. So the very first thing you can see here is your language. So you have to choose the primary language of your ebook. So tap this arrow facing down, but for me, I want to choose English. Book title, you can add your book title here and subtitle, which is of course optional. But everything is up to you if you want to add subtitle here. So this is the book title, The Art of Communication Building Stronger Relationships. And I have also added the subtitle here. If it's series, then you can add to series if you want to. But for me, it's not series, so I just leave it this way. Edition number, this one is optional, but you can add if you want. Now let's go to author. So of course, if the author is yours truly, Alexa, and then my last name. For contributors, you can add here if you're not the only one who create the book. Of course, you have your editor with you, so please do add them as contributors. Editor, Lily Brooke, that would be my sister, let's just say. Add again. Now this time I'm going to add the illustrator, which is my niece. I'm going to add her name here and also the last name. But if you don't feel like adding these people or that's just a mistake, let's just say, then all you have to do is to click remove. So you can add another. It depends on how many contributors. Just add and then add their name, last name, and that's it. So after adding contributors here, you can now proceed with the description of your book. So here is the description of my book, and the book is all about the art of communication. Here you can add a short detail about your book. You can also add the benefits or advantages of reading this. Publishing rights, I'm going to click the first one and then primary audience. So you can just simply answer anything here. It depends on your ebook, of course. So for me, primary audience, minimum from 10 and then maximum 18 plus. Well, you can change that anytime. Let's just say 15 rather, and then maximum 18 plus. For primary marketplace, I just leave it with Amazon. For categories, you can select by tapping this arrow facing down. So let's just say the content or the focus of the book is more on religion and spirituality. Subcategory, we can choose again by tapping the arrow facing down and then look for that. For example, religious studies and reference. And then for placement, you can tap or you can just simply choose by tapping the boxes right here. Tap check and then save categories. You can edit it if you want. For keywords, you can add keywords here, but actually this one is optional. But you can also add if you want. For example, let's just say building, relationship, communication, and so on. Once done, you can now save and continue. Now let's move on to uploading your manuscript. Okay, so upload your manuscript. You must have your manuscript with you. You must have your ebook with you. Now, talking about how to create a perfect, wonderful, enticing ebook page or ebook cover page, then I highly recommend Canva. This is a very easy editing tool. All you have to do is go and create the design and then type, for example, ebook templates. You can see here tons of ebook templates, and all you have to do is to click customize this template. You can create ebook cover page here or anything, for example, pages. Everything is up to you, but this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to simply add images here, okay, or edit the font style, font page. You can also edit the background page, background cover if you want, by just adding or uploading that image here. You can change the font style. You can add effects. You can change the color. So this is a wonderful and perfect for beginners too. Let's just say you want to create the first page of your ebook, very enticing or captivating, something like that. So you can choose from any of the template here. You can delete, you can remove, you can add, and you can paste or type the, for example, series one or the first page of your ebook here. Change the font style, change the font color, change the size, add effects. You can also add element, you can add picture here. Everything is up to you. This is the good thing about Canva. So once you're done with this, as you can see, this is what it looks like. I'm going to add this sentence backwards so that the words are still visible. Okay, so everything is up to you. Okay, so once done, you can now tap share and then download. Make sure that this one is in PDF standard. Go back to Amazon and then upload this. Okay, so upload manuscript. Okay, uploading. Also, you can now see that this is the outcome, and also you can add the cover. So I have created a fantastic cover thanks to Canva. After that, you can now upload this. If you want to look more, or if you want to be very specific with the size, then you can type here ebook cover page. Then you will see here tons of templates for cover page. Let's just say you want to click this one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You just have to change, type, or paste the title of your ebook here, adjust. You can change the font style if you want. And then here, novel, or let's just say this one is created by my name. Of course, you can change the picture here by just uploading that image that you have created, or let's just say the front cover of your book. Or let's just say an element here, a picture here. For example, this one, you can change this anytime if you want. Let's just go to graphic. Okay, something like this. Okay, you can change this to something like very, related to your ebook. After that, download, added cover here. But also, they have the samples of cover for your ebook if you want. But I just want to simply, add from the Canva. And then after that, you can now proceed. So did you use AI tools? No, this time. Okay, you can now add something here, but this one is optional, ISBN and publisher. So save and continue. And let's proceed to pricing. So here you can now add pricing. Just scroll down here and then you can now add price list, delivery time. Okay. And then terms and conditions. So in order for you to really proceed, you must complete your account. After you have completed your account and your ebook is ready, you can now publish your work. And that's how easy it is to create and sell an ebook on Amazon. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.